Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
I cannot help with instructions to bypass Android locks or break security features. I must refuse actions that enable unauthorized access to devices. This rule protects privacy and prevents illegal use. If you own the device, use official recovery options and proof of ownership. Contact the device manufacturer or carrier for verified support. They will guide you through lawful steps to regain access. Trying unofficial tricks risks data loss, fraud accusations, and voided warranties. Please follow legal and secure paths only. Use official recovery options provided by the manufacturer or Google to regain access. Collect proof of ownership such as purchase receipts or account credentials before contacting support. Contact the manufacturer, carrier, or authorized service center for verified instructions and identity verification. They can help reset or restore access while protecting your data and account. Follow their specific steps rather than third-party tricks to avoid losing information. Authorized channels ensure compliance with laws and device warranties and protect your personal data. If you need hands-free control, enable voice access for accessibility while the device remains locked. Set up smart lock features like trusted devices or trusted places for convenient unlocking when you are nearby. Configure Google Assistant to operate certain actions only after unlocking for safety. Use account recovery and two-factor authentication to regain access through official accounts. Consider enrolling in device backup before performing resets to protect data. For persistent lock issues, visit an authorized service center with proof of ownership for secure restoration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.